Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. So, in this video, I'm going to say about a problem from trigonometric ratios and identities of 11th class. The question is evaluate each trigonometric function. Three bits are given. For them, we have to find the values. So, coming to first one, that is cos 4 pi by 3. Here, pi means what? Pi equals to 180 degree. So cos of 4 into 180 degree by 3. So 3 in 180 is 60 times, which is equals to cos of 240 degree. Now we have to find value for this, right? Actually we'll have the values for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees, right? So using these values we have to find this. So cos 240 can be written as how? Cos of 240 no will be near to 270. So 3 into 90 is 270. 270 minus 30 is 240, right? Understanding ma? Here 90 it is given. If you multiply 90 by 3 you will get 270. So for 240 is near to 270 if you subtract 30 from that value. So here what you will get 3 into 90 degree minus 30 degree, right? Okay. If you take the quadrants x dash, y and y dash. First quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrants. Right? Here what? All silver tea cups. All positive. Here sine and cosec. Here tan and cot. Here cos and secant, right? So here we have 3 into 90 minus 30. This is 90 minus 30, right? 90 minus theta angle, this one. But here 3 is there. So if you count this as 1, 2, 3. So it comes under third quadrant. In third quadrant and this can be written also even in this way. What? Cos of 2 into 90 degree minus 2 into 90 is 180 and here we have 240, so plus 60 also you can do. So 240 means plus 60. This also you may get this or this. Okay, I am taking this here. This is 2 means 1 2, so here you will get, right? So in this you will get minus. So here what you will get? Cos is negative. So minus cos 60 degrees. Here what you will get for this, what you will get? Cos of 3 into 90 degree minus 30 degrees equals to. Here this is the odd multiple of 90. So the trigonometric ratio converts to sine, right? And if you take this is 90 minus theta 1 2 and 3 till here it will get, you will get. So in this quadrant cos is negative, so minus sine 30 you will get. Both one and the same or not? Minus cos 60 value what? Minus 1 by 2. This is also you will get minus 1 by 2. Understood? Next, coming to second bit in this, tan of minus 210 degree. We have tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta, right? So this minus tan of 210 you can take. Minus tan of 210 can be written as how? 3 into 90 degree minus means 270 minus 60 degree, or minus tan of 2 into 90 is 180 minus 30. Oh, sorry, 180 plus 30, right? Understood? So if coming to this option here, it is odd multiple of 90. So the trigonometric ratio changes. Minus, wait, cot of 60 degrees. And this is from here, if you count 3, 1, 2, 3 again. So here tan cot are positive. So positive and this minus comes here. So positive into minus is minus you will get. So minus cot 60. Cot 60 means what? How much you will get? Cos 60 by sin 60. Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by? Here you will get 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Here what you will get? This is even multiple of 90. So no change will become in this. So tan 30 degree and this minus comes the same. Why? This is in the second quadrant. 90 plus theta is second quadrant. 1, 2. So from here you have to count this. 1, 2. So in this tan is positive again. Positive you will get, but here negative is there. Plus into minus, minus. Minus tan 30 degree. So tan 30 what you will get? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Right? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Got? Next. Third bit. Cosec 11 pi by 4. So this what you will get? Cosec 11 into 180 degree by 4. 4 in 180 45 times, which is equals to cosec 11 5 is 55 5, 11 4 is 44 49, 495. Okay, so now again cosec 495 degree can be written as how? Cosec 495, no, so 495, no. So first 5 into 90 how much? 450, right? So plus 45. So what you will get? 5 into 90 minus 90 degree plus 45 degree, right? Or 180, 495 minus 180, what you will get? 5, 1, 315 means 2 into 180 is 360. 360 plus how much you will get? 495. 495. No. So let it be. Here what we got? 5 into 9 plus 45 degree. This is 90 plus theta means second quadrant. From second quadrant you have to count 5 circles, 5 quadrants. So from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again came to second quadrant, right? And this is the odd multiple of 90. So you will get, this will be changed to secant. Okay, so in secant here cosec is positive, so this is also positive. So secant 45 degree. So secant 45 is nothing but this is 1 by sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So secant 45 you will get root 2. Okay, got it? If you have any doubt, specify that in the comment section. If you not understood, once again, if you want, I'll revise this once again in another separate video. Okay? And not only in this chapter, in any maths chapter you can specify your doubts. If you won't get any problem, you can specify that in the comment section. That question you can specify in the comment section. I'll solve it and upload as a specific video for you. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for Deep Maths.